Hi everybody, welcome back to another Sprint Booster episode. Today we're installing a Sprint Booster on a 2020 RAV4 TRD. Sprint Booster is the #1 throttle controller on the market. It's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide. And when it debuted at SEMA, it won SEMA's best new product. So you know you're getting the good stuff. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com and check out our wide list of applications and see which Sprint Booster is right for your machine. What a throttle controller does is it plugs in inline above your throttle pedal, pretty much eliminates the lag that you feel when you step on the gas, which makes your car feel like it accelerates quicker and it makes it easier to merge on lanes when you're on the highway. What the Sprint Booster does is give you a 1-to-1 pedal ratio feel, which a lot of you would be used to growing up driving cars that had a cable that connected the throttle pedal to your throttle body. Today's machines run by throttle by wire, and unfortunately there's a little bit of lag there. Plugging the Sprint Booster in line here will ensure that you delete that lag and make your machine as responsive as possible. So the first step to installing your Sprint Booster is to take your key fob and put it 10 feet away from your car, and then you wait another 10 minutes. That way your CAN bus system can reset. Then you're ready to go ahead with the install. Next up, you gotta locate your throttle pedal assembly. If you look above there, you'll see the clip that connects the pedal to the harness. Unclip that and plug the Sprint Booster in line. Next, plug your controller into the Sprint Booster and run it up to your dash. Use the provided adhesive to mount it on your dash. But before you do that, make sure you flick the switch to automatic or manual. In our case, we have an automatic car. But if you have a manual, flick it upwards and then you're good to go. The Sprint Booster will give you 9 settings in sport mode and another 9 settings in race mode. So that way you can dial in your pedal feel to what feels the best for you. Well, that's it, guys. That's how you install a Sprint Booster on a 2020 RAV4 TRD. If you want to learn a little bit more about Sprint Booster, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com and check out our wide list of applications and see which Sprint Booster is right for you. Alright guys, well thanks for checking out another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed what you saw. Hit us up in the comments down below and let us know what other machines you'd like to see us install Sprint Booster on. Thanks guys, have a great day.